Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video, and today the best thing I want to talk about is how to trade the over under strategy that I want to give you, and for you guys go try if it works for you. So you'll go to the derivative chart analysis, that is the trading view. Then you'll click to volatility 101s, then go to the 5 minutes. Then there are some indicators that I want you to always have some confirmation using. So I want you to go to the indicators tab, and you add the usual what we call the mark D, or you can just use specifically the moving average triple. So just click on the moving average triple like that, and then on this section there are some things that I want you to set. So you just come to the settings, then put these settings. So you go to the 50, the 40, and then you will put 10. So after you do that, so it's already done that way. So we have our thing there. So the next indicator to add here is something we call the relative strength index, which is that one. Then as it is, you'll just change it to 10. So you'll change this to 10 and this to also 10, then change the EMA to the SMA to EMA. So I hope you can see everything is good. So from there, the next thing is to go to your trading about. So you'll just change to volatility 100, and then you want to trade a digit over 3. So this is digit over 3. So you go to over under, then you click over, and then you go to the stake. So I have that USD, so you can use a minimum of 2 USD. So the first thing, let me go to the quick strategy so that I can create one with a martingale. So options, then click the martingale. So you have everything there set. So from here you need to set the market. So you will need to go to this edge here, look for volatility 100 index, like that, volatility 100 index, 1s index. So name that to volatility 100 index. So you can see there is an issue there. So let me just choose volatility 100 index is there. So just make sure you are set everything. So that is it. So from there we change to what? So let me just operate this well. So that is volatility 100. What is else? We need to change the contract type to over under, and then the over, we will need over digit prediction 3. So the initial capital is 2 USD, and then I want it to be trading using 1 tick, and the profit is 6. And then with a 30 USD, just target something like 6 USD and you get done. Loss, just add it like that. Threshold is good. The martingale size is good. So road that bot. So after you are done, let's return this to where we head. So we have our bot now. The next thing is now to set up what? We have our bot now working well. We have this part already set. So we go to our analysis point. So we click the derivative sniper analysis, and then here we want to trade over under digit 3. So you'll go to the derivative sniper analysis. Then from here you change the market now again to volatility 100. So let me choose the volatility well. So here we change to volatility 100, and then the trade type is over under, and then what digit 3. So I'll reduce this to digit 3, and then I want to match with digit 6. So compare them, or both of them, using the number of ticks. I'm using 120 ticks. So go into the digit probability guide. You are told whenever digit 3 is above 70%, you can trade. This is if over is here at 3%, 70%, and then for under digit 3, is when it's at 70% also, these under digits. So what we do, we are good there. So what we have to do, we now minimize this. So we are at somewhere. So we have everything set. So we can see what is happening. So we can already see volatility 100, and then the digits are like that. So we need now to check what is not happening or what is happening. So, okay, digit over 3 and then digit under 6. So we can see the probability. So we will go here. So I want you guys to always check if this one is on the red side and this one is on this like that. If you look on the guide, it's at 70. So I've started running the boat. So I'll be explaining what is happening. So that's the first win. So I want you to look. This is green, red color, a red color, and then all the candlesticks here are pointing downwards. So specifically, if this candlestick is red and then it's above, below all these candlesticks, that means the digits being produced here are over digits. Specifically, despite you can see despite here we can see the under digit is showing you that under digits are above 74, but the market itself is giving you entries according to this point here, the red candlestick here, and then the RSI should be pointing just exactly like you are seeing. So we can see the Trade Pro FX debot already at a profit of 6.89. We have already scooped all those wins, and only 2 losses, and then 7 wins. So that's how you look at you normally look at the comparison between the candlestick. So this is analyzing using the candlestick, and then this is the pattern. So it doesn't necessarily mean that the pattern, whatever you are seeing on the pattern, is actually working. So you must compare also using the candlesticks. And the candlesticks, I normally hear most of you saying that there is no comparison. So there is something we call, so you can see also the market is going very, very well. So we learn again. So we will be waiting again because you can see it's red in color. This one is pointing downwards. So we have no worries. So we will expect to have a win after some several runs. So always remember this should be okay. So it should be 100 index. Okay, we are here. We need this red color, so I don't know what had happened there. So this is what I want so that we can exit. So in case it's red, in case it starts going to green, you can stop the boat. So look at the wins, how we are going very well. So anytime you see the market, observe the candlesticks being formed, and then the RSI, and then use the triple. So then observe on this side, look at the probabilities, but compare whenever the 30 threshold is above. You can do the opposite after you analyze the candlesticks. If the candlesticks are giving you the entry, look on it gives you a more powerful edge to trade over 3 using the candlestick. I don't know whether some of you are getting what concept I'm saying. Unless maybe we do a live trading class, you can understand what I mean. But if you have grasped what I am talking about, remember I've been using volatility 100 on S. You can see the RSI has changed. It is now pointing upward. So this point now you can exit after your wins. But basically, you have seen how you get to win. You can see only 4 lost and 13 wins. So that's how you trade. You trade what? Volatility 100 using trading over 3 using the candlesticks without normally checking on just that was a clarification. Not only do not rely only um, on the Deriv Sniper analysis tool or any tool that you ever get. Remember, they are associated with the candlesticks also. So whatever candlestick here is being produced can matter so much with whatever digits are being produced. That's why here you can see it was producing what? Only over 3 digits, and that's what I was trading. If you have gotten the concept, maybe if you have not gotten, you can comment below. I will repeat again, maybe in a simpler manner. but I wanted you that entry not to get lost. Ensure when the triple moving average are above the candlestick and should be red in color, and then the RSI pointing downwards. So you can see that's what I wanted to recommend, such that you can try it out on your side if it works. And then remember, always look on the overside and underside. So if it is showing you like it's on the 70 level, you can run, since it is making some interchanges that most of the digits, yes, compared that you have put digit 6, that means it has some more probability. So like that, I don't know what you whether you understand that trading the candlestick using the candlesticks, trading digits, it's more powerful compared to the pattern analysis. So go try using this volatility 100, then see whether you can scoop something from it. Then ensure the candlestick to be red, and then the RSI to point downwards. So with those few remarks, then look at this one whenever it's showing on the 70. Put just like I've just done. Put it like just I've just done 3 and 6, and then under showing S70, but you are trading over digit 3. I hope we are together. I hope I've clarified that, not only observing only the patterns, what is happening, but they also use observing the candlesticks that are being formed. With those few remarks, let's meet in the next video. I will be repeating most of the time, maybe this one, so that you can grasp either under digit 6 or over digit 3, those trades that has higher payouts, how you can over counter them. So with those few remarks, bye bye.